Para sa Davao. Tatlo kadlaw madaan nga ako. What today? Busy here. Say what's up mga kamigs.
What's up?
Mga kamigs.
Okay, welcome teams for our 18th Del Monte Football Cup. Again, katulog ko excited na mo. Kinsa may excited? Mataas kamot. Okay. So again, to formally welcome and open our program of tournament, let's start